Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is some information about how to set up and use your Google site. So from Google, you go down here. You could get there from Drive, but also from Sites right here. You have to be signed into your school Google account for this to be linked to your school access. So mine looks like this, and then I'm going to click on here, New Google Sites, because the new version is more interesting. Alright, so then you would go to the plus sign down here. You want to create a new site. So you're creating your site. Here it is. You should have chosen what you're researching for this unit and the next unit, whatever professional career you're thinking about. So you would put your career right here. I would also name it up here. Alright. You can change your image, your header. You can change the themes or the colors. Maybe you want it to be something different. Alright, then on the home page, you should have a general description about your job. So over on the right hand side, we're going to insert a text box. So I just click that. A text box appears. I'm going to write general description. You can call these subsections whatever you want. You can organize it your own way. But I have, remember, certain things that I expect you to include, which you should have your profession name and your name. You're going to have a works cited for all information and multimedia and your images. And I'll teach you how to do that as long as you are keeping your links. So then on the home page, the general description and types would be good. Home page, general description and types. Alright. So general description. Then here you can change your font and your size and whatnot. So you would type right here whatever the description is. When you are done, if you just click out of it, it saves. So there it is. So if you want to add an image, you can. Remember, you can search right in here. That's why I like using Google Sites or Google Slides or Google Docs. It makes it easy to use things that are copyright free. So you don't have to do this right this second, but this is how you add in images. There we go. You can alter your image. You can insert the link, which is what I suggest you do right away. Can you center it? Oh, you just move it. Okay, so that's pretty easy to manipulate. Alright, well, once you have your general description, click up here on the right hand side at pages. So we only have one page right now, a home page, but in the instructions I said you should have at least 4 pages to include all the information I want you to include. So on the home page you can have your general description and types. The next page should have salary, benefits, responsibilities, education, training. You can have only one of those things. Like, you can have more pages than this, but I want you to have at least 4. Alright, so you, under pages, I'm going to click this plus, add a page. So the page name could be something like how to become a teacher, or how to become whatever your profession is. Alright, so here's this new page that just appeared. Notice at the top, now there's two links. I can go back to home, or I can go here to the how to become a teacher page. We have two pages. So, back to insert. This is when you will insert like the steps to becoming a teacher, and you can put them here. This is according to the information that you're going to read online or in books. So you'll always be including those links then, so that when you have when you go to make your works cited, it's all together. You can add pictures again, whatever else. So what do we have? The steps to becoming, and then salary, benefits, and responsibilities. Alright, this could go on a new page, but maybe you want to title the next section When You're a Teacher. Notice that's left aligned, but you can center it. And then let's say the steps. When you're a teacher, your salary, your benefits are, so all the things that you'll be researching. Include an image. See, it's kind of boring without an image. Alright, then you still need another one that's like new in the field, new advancements and new issues. Alright, so that now we have a home, how to become, and new in the field. So I go back to insert, you can do text box, so new advancements. So this is new technology or theories or skills, things like that. And then I also want you to have new issues or challenges.
Good afternoon, teachers.
So new challenges, new advancements. You can have your image again. This might be a good place to have the video I want you to include. Alright, so back to pages. You need at least one more. Again, you can split up this information even more. Have a page on each type, or have a page on how to become, and then another page on how to continue. All that's fine. And finally, I do want you to have a page for your expository essay. And here, instead of doing a text box like we did for the others, you will be inserting a Google Doc. So you haven't made it quite yet, I don't think. But eventually, your Google Doc will go right in here for your essay. So it has like the snapshots of all of these things on the pages, and then finally it'll be all together in a flowing, clear, well-written essay. So those are the 4 pages, and that's kind of how you manipulate it. Just keep track of where the information is from, so when we go to make your work cited, it's all there together. If you have any questions about this, let me know.